Hey y'all, good evening. Welcome back to Debbie's Homemade and Cooking with Debbie. It's Saturday night and I'm seasoning up some pork chops that I'm gonna put on an indoor grill and finish off in the oven tomorrow. Um, I've had them soaking in the lemon water for about 6 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna season them up really well. So I'm just washing them off now. Like I said, they've been soaking in this lemon water for maybe 6 minutes. Okay. Wash the bowl back out. I'm trying not to leave too much water behind on them. I'm already going to add liquid to the marinade that I'm going to be seasoning this with, so I don't want too much water in there also. Oh, why this piece is so different. This is probably, I don't know, because I had a very large pack of pork chops and I'm just making a few of them. So here's these two pieces right here. Let me make sure you can see them. Whew, about the size of them. Okay. And so this is about what they look like. Not too thin, not too thick. And I have 1, 2, 3. I have 5 of those pieces, and then for some odd reason, these are more like pork chop steaks. I have 2 of these in here too. So it's a total of what was that, 7 pieces. And I'm gonna store them in there. I think I want to rub them up in this big pan first before I put them back in here for overnight. So I'm gonna put them in the baking pan. And then guys, I'm gonna move the camera a little bit so we can get to marinating. So just okay guys, so in this bowl here I'm mixing some marinade for the pork chops. So far what I have in there is Guiness stout. I have a 1/2 cup in there. Then is my homemade jerk marinade. I have 2 healthy tablespoons in there. Then I have brown sugar. I have about 2 healthy teaspoons of brown sugar in there. Now I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. I hope I said that right. Okay. What is it that? Oh, I added a pinch of Himalayan salt. So just any salt is fine. This nice Jamaican soul food seasoning I found. I added a teaspoon of it. I'm going to add a teaspoon of 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. This is black pepper. I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper as well. And then garlic powder, of course. I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now, although I added that soul food seasoning there, can't help myself, I'm still gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of Lorry seasoning salt. Oh, and how can I forget the allspice? Oh, and I don't know if you saw me, but I have some, I like to blend up my ginger, make ginger water to put in the fridge to add to almost anything I drink. So then I kept the slush for cooking, so I had a pinch of fresh ginger in there. I don't think you saw that either. So the allspice, I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon of allspice. And let's mix this marinade up really good. Really, really well, yes. Okay, look at that. It smells so good. Oh gosh, so good. Okay, let's get the bowl back over here and the pork chops in layers. We're going to marinate this really good overnight. I made some barbecue ribs 2 weeks ago. Added that dragon stout in there, marinated. I've been wanting to cook with it for a while and just never got around to it because I don't much of a drinker. So when I go to the store, it's like if I don't have it on my list, I just completely forget. I went shopping at a Jamaican store the other day. I don't go out much, but I needed some Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm like, to my husband, we gotta run out and just run back. It was right there. Oh, baby, you just cleaned up. The dragon stout was right there in my face. And remember, you wanted me to cook it for the longest time. Okay, so all that is in there. Yeah. So I'm gonna grill these on an indoor grill tomorrow. Ooh. Yeah, baby. I just want to keep tossing them in this marinade so each of them are properly coated before I cover this up to put in the fridge for tomorrow. Look at this mess. So guys, here we go. This is the marinated pork chops for tomorrow. So I will see you guys back in the kitchen tomorrow, okay? Bye. Hey, welcome back to the kitchen. It's Sunday and it's time to make this pork chops I marinated last night. So I'm gonna grill them like I told you on this grill right here. So let me get ready to heat this thing up. Plug it in over here. Okay. I know. Am I on the right side? Okay, let me flip it over. I am pretty sure this is where I'm supposed to plug it. Okay, here we go. Alright, it's all the way in. I'm going to turn it now to, Lord, let me see if I can see this. Yeah, I'm heating up to 400. I already cleaned it this morning. But here I am touching it, so I'm just going to wipe it a little bit. Where my paper towels. Okay guys, I'll come back soon when the grill is hot and ready to go, okay? So, alright guys, I'm gonna coat the grill pan here with a little olive oil. I can't find my barbecue brush, so I gotta improvise here. Oops, don't make a mess, Debbie. Okay, just get a little olive oil on there. I'm gonna let that get hot. In the meantime, I have a couple sweet potatoes that I'm gonna bake. Just actually 2 big ones I'm gonna bake. I have the oven preheat to 450. I'm sorry, 350. And I'm gonna coat this little pan here too with a little olive oil because I'm gonna cut the potatoes. I'll show you in just a minute before I put them in the oven. Okay, so these are the 2 potatoes. I have one of this color and then a white one. So I'm just gonna coat them too with a little of the olive oil. Put them in the oven and bake those. It's Sunday dinner, but I'm gonna be very simple. I'm making a little small pot of seasoned rice. I'll show you in just a minute. While I'm grilling the pork chops, I'm gonna be getting the seasoned rice ready. Okay, so let me cover this. Okay, so these potatoes are going in the oven. All right, let's get the pork chop started on the grill. Oh, come on. All right, let's cover this and let's keep that cooking. And let's see if you can see this little pot right here. I'm gonna make some seasoned rice in, okay? So, how do I get, the olive oil. Saute my vegetables, yes. Just a pinch. Alright guys, I'll see you back here soon, okay? Okay guys, see, for the seasoned rice in this pot here, just a pinch of olive oil, about 2 cloves of garlic I minced, a little bit of chopped onion, and I put 1 small, because like I said, it's just going to be a small amount of this seasoned rice. Learning to cook for just the 3 of us has not been the easiest for me, but I'm getting as we get deeper and deeper into COVID, I'm getting sick and tired of seeing food go to waste around here. So I just rather cook less than cook too much. I just added one small carrot that I diced up in there. What else? Oh. I'm going to put a little bit of this canned corn in there. Saving the rest to go in my kale. Okay. I have a large green onion that I just washed and cut into like 2 pieces. Alright, let's move over here and take a look at these pork chops and see what they're doing here. The plan is to finish cooking these in the oven, of course. Okay. I just got that grill there on Amazon. Just love it because it has the lid to cover it. Alright guys, so back to our season rice. I need a measuring cup. I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. And I'm going to season this water up real well and bring it to a boil. So let me season the water up, okay? Pinch of garlic powder. Some seasoning salt. I'm going to say about half a teaspoon of all of this. The spice, I was going to chop up a Scotch bonnet in there, but instead I'm going to use a little bit of Scotch bonnet powder. So this is optional. Heat is optional. Pinch of smoked paprika also. Ooh, excuse me. Ooh, I just run away from that. And of course, and just a pinch of salt. Guys, I'm gonna add another half a cup of water in there. Looking at the amount of rice I have, I'm gonna add another half a cup of water. I'm gonna go wash my rice and I'll bring this to a boil and I'll see you guys back soon. Okay, so our water there is boiling for the rice. Okay. I washed my rice till the water was so very clear, as you can see. Put it in here. Just a simple, light as can be Sunday dinner. We don't want nothing over the top. Not today. I was going to make some scalloped potatoes, but I say another time. Not today. Okay. I'm prepared to make some kale. I don't know, I just have a thing for kale. Love me some kale. Okay, let's look at these pork chops. Okay, let's get these pork chops into the pan that's gonna go in the oven. There's 2 pieces left to get on here. This was like some chicken breast, boneless, skinless chicken thigh. You could easily finish this on this grill. Because you cover it up, it steams it. I just want it in the oven because I want this sauce on there. So really and truly, you could finish it on pan. But the Guinness and the jerk marinade left over, I want to pour it over it when I'm going to put it in the oven. Make a little sauce. Okay, there's our rice. Nothing fancy, but packed with flavor. And got some vegetables in it. Okay guys, over here I'm preparing to make some kale. So I sauteed about 2 cloves of garlic that I minced, a small onion, little piece of yellow and green bell pepper, 2 small tomatoes. And then I added the rest of the corn, about a half a can of the corn in here, 2 carrots that I chopped up, pretty much making it like I make steamed cabbage. And then I'm going to season this a little bit. Here I have my kale. I had a bunch of kale that I washed and clean and ripped apart and cut them up. So now let's season this up before I put the kale in there. Pinch of salt. A little bit of garlic powder. I'm going to use a little bit of the Jamaican soul food seasoning. It's called Spice Supreme is the brand. I see them a lot around when I'm looking for certain Jamaican things. So when I went to the Jamaican store the other day and I saw it, I said, let me give this a try. I see them a lot on Amazon actually for different Jamaican, marinade sauces and things like that. Okay, the thing about kale is if I want Jay to eat kale, cabbage, that sort of stuff, I have to make it spicy. So here we go, our powdered Scotch bonnet. That's probably more than I would like, but I want her to eat her vegetables, so I have to make it spicy. So she acts like she was raised with my mom who loved cooking spicy food. And I think at my old age I'm rebelling against it, so I don't eat like too much spicy food. So that's all she wants. Okay, so there you go. So now I'm just simply going to add the washed kale in here. That's the thing about this press it down a little bit. They wanted me to make scalloped potatoes, but I'm like, not today. Maybe another day. They just wanted something small and light for Sunday dinner. Don't always have to be big and heavy. So here we are cooking our kale. Now I'm gonna move back over to the rice and the pork chops. I want to finish those two and get them in the oven to finish them. Okay, so see, the pork chops is done. And I could have cooked it longer on the grill, but because I want to use this up on it, I'm going to finish it off in the oven. So I'm going to pour this all over them, just like so. And I'm going to put it in the oven for about, uncovered, since it's on 350 cooking the sweet potatoes, I'm going to put it in the oven uncovered for about 45 minutes to an hour. 350 is not going to hurt them, but cook them. So guys, I will see you back. Oh, before I go, let me show you. Seasoned rice is done. I tasted it. Yep, a bit on the spicy side, so I won't be eating none. Here is our greens. Simmer down. So, okay. Oops. So guys, I will see you back in an hour. This should be done in another 6 minutes or so. I do have 3 slices of bacon I cooked in my air fryer. When this is done, I'm just going to crumple them and put them there. Of course, absolutely optional. So for you healthy eaters, low pork eaters, it is absolutely not necessary. I just wanted to do something different since I'm trying to be so good, you know. So I will see you guys back in an hour when the pork chops and the sweet potato is done, okay? Hey guys, I am back. Cover this up. We're going to take that pork chops out the oven. Ooh, okay. Nice golden color, just like I want them. Oh, and the potatoes. Ooh. I'm sorry, guys. Yep, they're perfectly nice and soft. The white ones are usually a little firmer. That's the right word. Then the pretty ones here. But I prefer these. For some reason I prefer these because they're actually sweet. Where these are usually just sweet when you bake them whole. These you can boil them and they're still sweet. Love them. Thank you, that doggone noise. So let me show you what today's Sunday dinner look like. Just a little bit of rice. Some kale. Okay, let me get one of these. And one of these pork chops. So that is the dinner, you guys. No muss, no fuss. Just a simple, delicious Sunday dinner. Let me come over here and I'm going to cut a piece of this pork chop. Yes, I am. And that's just calling me, saying, Debbie, aren't you going to try me? Let me cut right here. Oh, it's so tender and moist, guys. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Look at that. Oh my god, guys. I'm trying to talk, but it's hot. The flavor in that pork chop, ew, to die for. Oh my god. You can do this with some chicken, which this week I'm definitely gonna do either some chicken breast or some boneless skinless chicken thighs right there on the grill. No oven needed then. But yes, I'm definitely gonna do that one day this week for a quick um weekday dinner. So guys, here you go. I'm sorry, I sound terrible, right? Thank you so much for watching. From my family to yours, God bless, and I hope you guys are being safe out there. Appreciate you watching and supporting, liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. Again, God bless you all, and you have a wonderful and blessed life. Okay, love you all. Thank you.